Hello everyone, welcome to Align Work. This is our level 2 session. But before starting with the level 2 session, let me brief you about the support option that we have given into the software. So during the time of this training or after this training, if you are having any kind of query or any doubt or any issue while using the software, in that case, you can reach out to us. This is our support option. When you will click on this, you will get the IVR number. So in the case of urgency, you can call us on this IVR number, or you can raise a support ticket for yourself simply by clicking on click here to raise support ticket. Here you have to mention some nominal details like your contact number. Make sure that the person who is having the query, like if your HR manager, HR or your manager or any of your team member is using the software and they have the query, in that case, they are required to mention their own number here so that our team will be contacting on the same number. Then you have to mention the subject of the issue that you are facing. Like if you have any issue or any doubt related to sales invoice or in the voucher number or in the invoice number, in that case, mention the same point here in the subject. Then next you have to select the module in which you facing the like doubt, like if it is related to sales, finance, purchase, or if it's a common issue, you can leave it common. Here we have also given the option for category, that like what's the like stage of your doubt. It's a urgent case or most urgent or work stopper, then you can select it. Here we have also given the option for preferred date and time. So if you have any preference, like you are not available now, you will be available after lunchtime, or you will be available after 2 days after the weekend, in that case simply you can set your preferred date and time, and on the basis of that only our team will be contacting you. Next option is for description. So you have to make sure that you are like mentioning the proper description here. It will help us to connect you with the right person in the right department. Like it will save your time also. So make sure that you are keeping your description more precise and more clear. Next option is then simply you have to click on submit. The time you will click on submit, your ticket will be raised and a ticket number will be displayed here on your screen. Now you get multiple benefits of raising a support ticket. Like here we have given the option for view report. When you will click on this, you will be able to see the support history of your account, like how many times you have raised a support ticket and for what all queries you have raised the support ticket, and what's the current status of your ticket, means it's resolved or it's still pending. So you can see if it's resolved, then what resolution our team member have given you, and who was the concerned person who helped you in this support ticket. You can check each and everything from here only. You can see. So in case of any issue or doubt, feel free to reach out to us, raise a support ticket from here, and our team will coordinate you. Next, this is our level 2 session. I will be covering the whole level 2 part into two. I will be covering the level 2 into two parts. The first one will be your master's creation, and another will be your transactions and opening transaction, like that's already included into that. So first, let's start with master's creation. In master's creation, we have three things. The first one is item creation. Second one is vendor creation or the supplier creation. And the last one is customer creation. For item creation, you have to go into inventory. You have to go on item master. This is my trial ID. That's why you are able to see these much of items. To create new, you have to go on create new item. You will be able to find these four options. The first one is inventory. So the items or the things whose stock you wanted to maintain, that things will be created into your inventory. For example, like if you have a grocery store, so the items in which you are dealing regularly, you are selling it, you are like buying the stock for that, those things will be created into your inventory part. The next one is non-inventory. So for those items for whose you don't want to maintain any stock, or you don't want its stock effect, that you can create in non-inventory, like your fixed asset or any of the item that you purchase for your organizational use, you can create that into non-inventory. Next one is services. So if you are into service industry, all the services will be created under this category only. Or you are not into a service industry, still you are availing any service, GST registered service, for which you are paying the monthly bill or kind of things. So you can create that into services. Last one is bundle. If you are combining two or more things together and selling it out, so those combinations will be created into bundle. For example, you have a grocery store and you made a combo of one vapor, one cold drink, and one biscuit packet, and one cake packet. These four you made a combination. So this combination is made at your end. So this you will be creating into bundle. First, let's see inventory. Okay, so first of all, you have to put the name of the item. Let's say I am creating a glass set with the name of S glass. Okay, next you will get two options, that is for undergroup in category. So these options we have given to you to segment your item, to segregate your item. Let's say I'm creating a pack of glass. So here I can make an undergroup with the name of 6 pieces. It means this is a set of 6 pieces. Similarly, you can create an undergroup of 12 set. In that, like if I'm talking about 6 pieces, so in 6 pieces I have glasses also, I have bowls also, I have cups also. So you can like make a common undergroup kind of thing. Then you have the option for category. So I am creating a category with the name of it's a glass article. It can be of fiber, it can be of steel, it can be of glass. So I have created that it comes under the glass article. So see, I have just segmented my item that it's a glass article of 6 pieces and the item name is SS glass. Similarly, you can like correlate this example with your business process and create your items. In this also, name is compulsory, mandatory. In undergroup, if you have limited item, in that case you can simply select default because it's a mandatory field. And categories, if you want to ignore, then you can leave it blank. Next we have the item type, like with what type of item is this, like it's a finished product or it's a raw material or it's a packaging material or it's a semi-finished product. You can select accordingly. Then the code, this code is like auto assigned by the software. Like these configurations are already explained in level 1. Like if you want to edit this code, in that case you have to make it manual. Then if you have any existing barcode for this particular item, you can set that barcode here. Then the option comes for your stock unit. So what's the stock unit? Like this also I have explained in level 1 session. So you can select like at what level you want to maintain the stock. I'm taking it a first level only. Then you have to select the stock unit. I am selecting it as set because it's a set of 6 pieces. Then next option came for GST classification. This is very important because on the basis of this only your reports are prepared for GST. So make sure that you are clear about this. If you know your HSN code or SSC code for this product, then simply you have to click here. You have to click on plus icon. You have to select that you are creating the HSN code or SSC code. Then you have to mention the code here. I'm mentioning it as 2707. And you have to mention the description. So I mentioned it as glass. Then select the text code. Let's say 12% and simply save. Your HSN code is created. But in case if you don't know your HSN code, no worries. Here we have given the option for search. Simply you have to click on the search icon. and it will redirect you to the GST page, and from here you can also search that what's under which category your item comes. Then if your MRP and sales rate are fixed, then you can mention the same here. Let's say I'm mentioning in the sales rate, I'm mentioning the sales rate as 750 rupees. If your purchase rate is fixed, you can mention the purchase rate here. I'm mentioning it as 500 rupees. Then if you want to maintain any minimum level for this, you can mention that also. So I want 50 pieces. If you want to mention the brand, you can add your brand also. For creating, you just have to click on this plus icon, mention the brand name, Milton, and save. My brand is created. Then simply you have to click on save, and as the time you will click on save, your item will be created. So we have created SS glasses. The HSN code is 2707. The category is glass article, and the group name is 6 pieces. It's a finished item. So this is how you can create your items into the software. Next one is how to create any vendor or supplier. For that, you have to go into purchase. You have to click on vendor. You have to click on create new vendor. If your vendor is GST registered, in that case, you simply have to mention the GST number. Okay. And you have to click on fetch info. The time you will click on fetch info, all the information will be autofill, like the name, print name, code, everything. In this also, you have to select the city, like which city this particular vendor belongs. And then you have to just click on save. Okay, I have already created this. See, my vendor is created. Next, if the vendor is non-GST, in that case also you have to go on create new vendor. First of all, you have to change the GST category. Means you have to change it from registered to unregistered or composition or overseas party. I'm taking it as unregistered. Then you have to fill all the details manually, like I am mentioning the name. Let's say I am creating Anjali Glass Private Limited. Okay, I mentioned the name. I will mention the print name. Then you can mention the address here, country, state, city, then the PIN code if you want to mention the social detail. So you will get the column for that also. Then here are some default setting, like if you have any payment term, you can set here. If you have created any price category for this particular vendor, so you can select the price category here. Then if you want to set any credit limit, you can set. If you want to mention the bank detail for this particular vendor, you will get the information here, and simply save. The vendor will be created. You can see Anjali Glass Private Limited, and the vendor is created. Similarly, the third point is your customer creation. For customer creation, you have to go into sales. You have to go on customer. Just click on create new customer. Same, if the customer is GST registered, just mention the GST number and click on fetch info. But if the customer is a non-GST person, in that case, change the GST category from here. I took it as unregistered. I will now you have to fill all the details manually. So I am creating a customer with the name of Anjali, Ande, name, print name. Same, all the columns you will get over here, like your social profile, and then the default settings, then the custom fields that I have created. There is one more option that you have to be acknowledged about, that here we have given an option for customer common for sales and purchase. So if This same option you will get in vendor also. So if you want your customer to be shown in vendor list also and in customer list also, so in that case you can switch this option on and it will be shown on the both pages, like in vendors also and in customers also. So for now I saved it and my customer is created with the name of Anjali Pandey. Okay, now the next concept comes is how you are going to edit or delete any of your masters. So if you want to delete any of your master, in that case, simply you have to click on this cross icon, this cross option, yes, and your master is deleted. If you want to go for bulk delete, just select it from here, and here you will get the option for bulk delete. Click on this, click on yes, and they will be deleted in bulk. If you want to edit any of them, in that case simply click on this pencil kind of icon and the box will be reopened, and change whatsoever you want to change, and the thing will be edited. Like, see, I am changing it as only Hanu and I saved it. You can see that my master is edited. But one thing you have to make sure that if you are going to delete any of your master, so you haven't made any entry related to that masters. Wait, let me show you. I selected this. It will give me an error that item exists in transactions. So first you have to delete all the related transactions related to that particular master, either it's your item or it's vendor or customer. Then only you will be able to delete that particular masters. So this was all about masters, that how you are going to create your masters, what all features in this, and how you are going to edit or delete any of your master. There is one more thing where we are missing. If you want to bulk update your master, like import your masters, any one item, vendor or customer, in that case you will get the option there only. You have to go on create new item, inventory. Here we have the option for import. First of all, you have to download the import format, then you have to fill that format only, then click on import, select that particular file and click on OK. Then your data will be imported. We have already, like, at beginning only we used to share the all the import file templates to you, and a video is also attached with that mail, that how you will be able to like import your data. Process is also explained in that mail. So if you want to import your data, you can easily import with this software only. This option of import you will get everywhere in your like masters also, in your vouchers also, so you can easily import your data. So this was all. Now further, if you have any query in this, you can reach out to us. This is our support option. Just raise a support ticket and our team will coordinate with you. Thank you, everyone.